Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play chess.com on your PlayStation 5. It's a surprisingly straightforward process that leverages your console's existing features. You won't need any special applications or complicated setups. We'll guide you through accessing the web browser, navigating to the site, and getting into a game. Get ready to enjoy countless hours of strategic gameplay right from your couch, using a method that is both simple and effective. To begin, navigate to your PlayStation 5's home screen. Look for the game base icon, which resembles two speech bubbles. Select this icon, then choose any chat with a friend. In the chat, simply type and send the full web address for chess.com. Once the link appears in the chat, click on it. This action will automatically launch the PlayStation 5's internal web browser, taking you directly to the chess.com website. Now that you're on the chess.com website, the next step is to log in. If you already have an account, simply enter your username and password. For those new to the platform, you can easily create a free account right there. Once logged in, you'll have full access to all of chess.com's features, including live games, daily puzzles, and interactive lessons. Get ready to challenge players from around the globe. For the best possible experience, consider connecting a USB keyboard and mouse to your PlayStation 5. This will make navigating the website and making moves much more precise than using the controller. Also, take a moment to adjust your television's display settings to ensure the chessboard is clear and easy to see. Finally, a stable and fast internet connection is crucial for smooth, uninterrupted online matches. Enjoy your games.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.